Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to find and test sensors on your Android device. So for this guys, you need a third-party application to find and check the sensors. So go to the Google Play Store and download and install this app Sensor Test. After download and install, just open this app. So you can see simple user interface of this app. So you can get all sensor, as you can see: accelerometer, light, proximity, magnetometer, compass, grease scope, barometer. So these all sensor you can get. If you want to test any of these sensor, just tap on test button, and from here you can easily test your sensor on your device. As you can see, so this sensor was working fine on my device. So if you want to check another sensor, go back. You can see red and green mark on your sensor. Red means guys, so the sensor was not available on your device. Next I am going to check barometer sensor in my device. So red mark was showing on this sensor. Just tap on test button. As you can see guys, your device does not have this sensor. So this means in my device barometer sensor was not available. So with this help of app guys, you can easily find and test all the sensor on your smartphone. So that's it for today guys. This is the short and very information video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like this video, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.